Hello again, it's a nice cold December day, second to last day of the year, so I thought I'd get another quick flight in before the year ends. I'm just in a spot I've never been. It's just a few fields with a bunch of trees. Kind of want to go through some gaps, but just a chill flight really. Just want to do a bit of extra flying while it's actually dry for once. So yeah, let's get in the air.
When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. When you feel the world is over, when you say you're feeling lonely, if you ever need a shoulder, you know where to find me. Stop chasing all the city lights, breathe me in, go on and take your bite, count on me to make you come alive. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me tonight. Find me tonight.
So definitely need to work on my power loops. I was trying to power loop all that gap under the trees up and around, but I just can't get the hang of it yet. But I think I'll go for a little explore over that way, see what's over there. There's a bunch of benches and stuff, and a bunch of small trees. Okay, well that battery is fucked. So this battery, it's got a bit of damage there, but I don't think it was too much. I think it's just the foil. But I think when I was charging this one, the cells weren't balanced, and then I was just flying then, and immediately I was saying like 10 volts, which for a 4S, yeah, I think one of the cells isn't working. I was trying to full throttle and it just wasn't going anywhere. So this battery, he's dead. Don't litter. But yeah, I'll have to, now I have to try and dispose of this. I have a total of 3 batteries now, so yeah, I'm gonna have to buy some more, I think. Rest in peace. That's the brand. Might not be the brand's fault, might have been my crash. Okay, last battery of the day. It's been a very quick session, unfortunately. I do have some extra clips of, I went to a drone racing, like tiny whoop race thingamabob yesterday, and it was a lot of fun. If anyone who was there and is watching this, thanks for inviting me. I've always wanted to do that sort of racing thing, especially with whoops so you don't break your whole drone. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I'll put some clips up here. Most of it was me crashing, but I did manage to get this really fast bit through some terrifying stereo. What's that thingy called when you go through that triangle tube and it's all the weird colours? Stereo something. It's like stereo. I don't know. Kaleidoscope.
Yeah.
Got it. What? No, it's that, I think. Oh, yeah, go on. Google kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope. Yep. Okay. As I was saying, so I got a really cool speedy zoom through that kaleidoscope looking tunnel thing. It was really weird. But I mean, it was mostly fluke, but I'll take a little bit of credit. But anyway, I'll put some clips of that up, and then we'll get on to exploring what is over here. tried to land back on this, but it didn't work. Alright, that's all my batteries gone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the new year.